France was under siege again. On June 25, 2025, a second wave of violent thunderstorms ripped across the country, just a week after a previous system left widespread damage. This time the storm came harder and deadlier, with torrential rain, hurricane-force gusts, and deadly lightning that killed 2 people, including a child. By midday, Météo France had placed 52 departments under orange alert, a massive warning zone covering over half the nation. What followed was a violent, fast-moving storm system that plunged cities into chaos. Rain hit fast and hard. In central and northern France, over 40-meter (1.6 inches) of rain fell in under 2 hours. In Paris, roads turned to rivers. Subway stations flooded, and video footage showed commuters wading through knee-deep water in underground corridors. Some lines were shut down entirely. In Reims and Troyes, entire neighborhoods were cut off by flash flooding. Cars floated down streets, and rescue teams used inflatable boats to reach trapped families. As rain poured, wind gusts reached 110 km/h, 68 mph, strong enough to tear off rooftops, flatten trees, and send metal debris flying. Emergency crews across Île-de-France and Burgundy responded to over 1,200 weather-related calls, including house damage, road blockages, and collapsed structures. In Assouan, scaffolding collapsed across a busy street, narrowly missing traffic. Power outages affected over 50,000 homes. The storm's electrical power was staggering. Over 25,000 lightning strikes were recorded across France in just 6 hours. In Troyes, a 9-year-old girl was killed by a lightning strike outside her home. In Aube, a farmer checking his irrigation system was electrocuted during the storm. Authorities warned that lightning can strike from miles away, even before the rain hits or long after it stops. This was France's second major storm event in 10 days. The first, on June 16-17, delivered wind gusts up to 123 km/h in Rouen, hailstones up to 85 mm in diameter, 1 death, and widespread structural damage. Many of the same regions were hit again on June 25th. Streets that had just reopened were submerged once more. Schools closed, cleanup restarted, and stress levels soared. Forecasters say the atmosphere remains unstable. Additional thunderstorms are expected through the weekend, especially in the east. Authorities advise extreme caution. Stay indoors during storms. Avoid flooded roads. Never shelter under trees during lightning. Meteorologists are sounding the alarm. We're not just dealing with bad luck, said climatologist Luc Moreau. We're dealing with a changing climate and more extreme events. June 2025 has already become one of France's most violent weather months in recent memory. This isn't just weather, it's a warning, and we should be listening. Like and subscribe for real-world disaster coverage. Your voice helps bring urgency, truth, and preparedness to the front lines.